up of material like cardboard, thermocol and different type of color papers like red handmade paper, golden and silver sheet and different type of golden marble. And this sarovar is made up of rice. Now here's come Shabi.
The Harmandir Sahib is a special place of worship. Thank you. The Golden Temple is also known as Harmandir Sahib or Darbar Sahib was built in 1504. It is located in Amritsar, Punjab. The Golden Temple was commissioned by Guru Arjan Dev Ji. The land for the temple was purchased from nearby village. Baba Buddha Sahib Ji appointed the first Granthi of Harmandir Sahib. Now here's Aradhya Diwali. The Harmandir Sahib approaches is common by the Mughal and Rajput style. The feature Mahabali is the gold covered with stones and the pool is called Amrit Sarovar. According to the Diwali Punjabi written by the Ghulam Sahib Mia Mir laid the foundation of Sikh peace and the Harmandir Sahib and the Golden Temple at the request of Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Yes, the Golden Temple in Amritsar India is really good. The temple is here to explain you about metro trains. Metro trains are the heartbeat of smart city. It reduces traffic, pollution and travel time. They promote economic growth, create jobs and improve quality of life. It helps us to move fast to our respective destinations. The metro station. Now let me explain you how to make this model. To make metro station, there are many material like colorful stones, trees, track, train and many more.
So Charles Wilson was invented this train in 1964 in London.
The metro train is the Delhi the first modern public transportation.
Metro train has travel slowly from one place to another.
In the top speed of metro train is 20 to 30 km per hour.
The top speed of metro train is 120 km per hour. In the station, the metro train speed is 5 to 10 km per hour.
Why are traffic lights important in our life? Traffic lights helps to manage traffic and prevent road crashes. Following traffic signals helps to avoid traffic intersection. Traffic lights are also used to control pedestrian movement and traffic light.
The first traffic light introduced in London in 1868. Lester Hurst invented the first traffic light in 1980. Cultivating trees, pisciculture, animals and people. It involves many activities like irrigation and many more. Now I would like to call Sana for explain about irrigation.
Irrigation is the artificial application of water to land or soil to develop
Plant to supply plant growth and development.
It is used to supplement natural rainfall and ensure that crops have sufficient water during drought or water scarcity.
Types of irrigation, water treatment, purify water without expensive filters. So firstly you can see the water falling from houses, buildings and industrial areas into this container. So this filter produces filter for irrigation, drinking water, etc.
The wastewater treatment is the process of cleaning wastewater from factories, household by sewage, so the pollutant is saved to the discharge back into the environment. This achieved through the series of chemical, physical and biological treatment processes usually include sedimentation and biological treatment.
There are 5 stages of incineration. The one is primary filtration. In this there are large particles to remove, and second is secondary filtration. In this same travel. For third is disinfection. In this charcoal using activated to remove bacteria and
this rainwater harvesting where it was really going on, we will conserve the water into the tank. After that it goes into the second tank and it is purified and it is used different purpose like bathing, drinking, etc. Now next thing my team will be explained.
As you all know, water is important in everyone's life. Without water, life is not possible. So here our Professor Rainwater Harvesting tell us how to conserve water.
when it rains, most of the water are wasted. But the help Earth project rainwater can be preserved for the further uses like drinking water, irrigation, bathing, etc. Thank you.
My project state and capital. When we choose correct state, correct capital, then siren will ring. When we choose incorrect, then siren will not. Like Uttar Pradesh ke Lucknow, then siren will ring. When I put correct, incorrect, then siren will not.
Jatin. My name is Jatin Kumar. My name is Farhan.
Firstly, me and my friend thankful to our school management to give a chance to presenting a model. Now my friend Jatin tell which material required in this model.
Means of transport refer to the way method used to move people and goods from one place to another place. Now my friend Jatin Kumar telling about the land.
Land transport is a transport in which we can transport goods and various animals to different states of the country. And now my friend Laprit will tell about water transport.
Water transport refer to when a people transport on the sea. Examples ships and boats. Now my friend Jatin tell about the air transport.
Air transport is a quick way transport in which we can travel to other countries of the world and we can transport material. So now I would like my friend Farhan will ask you something.
I would ask you, do you like our presentation? Thank you.
My name is Amrit Singh with my teammates.
I am Amardeep Singh.
We make a model of pollution. We use a many material to make this model like a chart paper and thermocols and ready-made trees, etc. So today I want to address a critical issue of our planet pollution. The pollution refers to everything in the environment such as the air pollution and the noise that are harmful for us. When the factory work mode on, the factory produces smoke and also noise. And vehicles also produce smoke and all the noise. This may affect in our daily life. The impure water of the factory come to the soil and dry all the trees and the crop. The people have many pollution like garbages in the trees. So we reduce the pollution to stay our life peacefully. Pollution occurs when harmful substances enter in these environments, leading to negative charge in air, water, and soil.